New to crypto and wondering what all the hype is about in 2025? Whether you've just heard about Bitcoin or you're curious if meme coins like Dogecoin still matter, this quick update will break it all down. Let's make crypto make sense. Bitcoin is the OG of crypto. Think of it as digital gold. There's a limited supply, only 21 million will ever exist, which is why people believe it's valuable. Right now, Bitcoin is holding strong due to increased interest from major companies and ETFs, making it easier for everyday people to invest. Analysts believe we could still see another big leg up by the end of the year. Some say even past $100,000. But remember, crypto is volatile. Ethereum is like Bitcoin's smarter cousin. While Bitcoin is great for storing value, Ethereum powers things like smart contracts and apps on the blockchain. Right now, Ethereum is prepping for another upgrade that could lower fees and improve speed, which might make ETH more attractive again. Other altcoins like Solana, Avalanche, and Chainlink are trying to be faster or more specialized. If Bitcoin is gold, Ethereum is oil, these altcoins are like startup tech companies, high potential but high risk. Yes, Dogecoin and even newer meme coins like Pengu are still around. Why? Community. These coins survive because people believe in them and promote them. They're risky, but sometimes give huge returns. Just don't treat them like a savings account. Big news lately. The US is working on clearer crypto regulations which could finally bring stability to the market. Major banks like JP Morgan are testing crypto payment rails behind the scenes, and several countries are exploring launching their own digital currencies, called CBDCs. If you're just starting out, don't try to chase the hype. Learn what these projects actually do. Start small, invest what you can afford to lose, and always think long-term. Crypto is here to stay, but not every coin is. Hit the like button if you learned something today, and subscribe if you want crypto updates explained clearly and simply. No hype, no fluff.